ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross and IK is in the building.
International King for all the ladies who don't know. But right now we're at Dickey's. We just finished a spectacular meal. And guys, if you haven't been to Dickey's, right now we're in the South. Frisco, Texas.
And Dickey's is known for their barbecue, and boy do they have some good barbecue.
That's right, BBQ.
That is right. Let's get into this She's Hot winner because I know you guys are worried about the She's Hot winner, not the barbecue. So let's get into this winner.
Our winner for today is Miss UH Leah. She is a Snapchat and Instagram model, and Dr. Ross, she is fine, just like a Coca-Cola bottle.
That's right. She usually posted a lot of bikini photos on her Instagram, so make sure to check that out. But she is our She's Hot winner, like IK said. So congratulations for your win on the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations on your win. Now guys, there's not a lot of information on her right now since she's still up and coming, but Dr. Ross and
She likes to be unknown. Scandalous as ever. Scandalous.
Money hungry, ruthless, and scandalous. Always looking for another figure.
That's right, and those are always the best kind. Let's get into these hot topics for today.
Our first hot topic is with the new 007. Now 007 No Time to Die is supposed to mark the end of Daniel Craig's service with a slightly bloated Bond film. And all I have to say to this is that I'm available to work, because one man's trash is another man's treasure.
That's right. IK is dressed today for the 007 anyways, because IK is 007. Let's get into our next hot topic. Speaking of dress to impress, IK, you remember the Zoolander movies?
Yes.
So Jake Gyllenhaal was saying that he was supposed to play Ben Stiller in the Zoolander. And you know what? There's nothing like Owen Wilson and
that would
Ben
not
Stiller.
fit at all, because for me, Jake Gyllenhaal just doesn't have that same appeal as Ben Stiller.
Ben Stiller brings something to the table.
And Ben Stiller was funny. He had it put to perfection. The second film wasn't as good to me, but I did like the scene where Justin Bieber got shot up.
You can't kill us all. We will protect the chosen one. Peace out, world. Peace out.
The best scene out of the film.
You know what? Magnum. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is with Jesse Palmer. He's going to be the new host of The Bachelor.
So I heard that he's replacing Chris Harrison. We'll see how this turns out, see if he gets enough ladies. And we all know how The Bachelor goes down. The other Bachelor that they said was the first Black Bachelor. He recently just left his wife that he was with, but we know how The Bachelor goes.
And he's on
TV.
He's on Dancing with the Stars too.
Doing the jive. We saw him.
Dr. Ross, we know that dancing is a lot of things with romance and love, so most likely he's going to go with the dancer.
And
that's just my opinion, Dr. Ross.
Get a new girlfriend. So let's get into our next hot topic. So a museum recently paid an artist, IK, $84,000 for the artist to put his artwork in their museum. The artist sent the museum, get this, the artist sent the museum blank canvases, and he said, take the money and run. What are your thoughts about this, IK?
Now, Dr. Ross,
This foolishness right here.
what sort of artist was this anyways? Kanye West?
Exactly.
This is reminding me a lot of the one art piece. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's the one where the guy just duct taped a banana to a wall.
Yes,
and
it sold for millions.
And then someone ate the banana. This is what that reminds me of right now. This is foolishness. I don't know if he was saying get the money and run to himself or to the museum.
Exactly,
That part
because
I
they
didn't get.
gave him the money. But let's get into our next hot topic.
Our next one is with Britney Spears. So Britney Spears actually has a new Netflix documentary that just came out today, and it sheds new light on Kevin Federline divorce.
Oh, yes, this is the one that we talked about last, Rose and Gold. Well, IK said it himself.
And
it's going to be
actually,
dropping today.
And actually, to rebuttal with you on this, Dr. Ross, it's not the Hulu documentary that just came out.
wow.
That came out too a week ago, but it's a new one that just came out on Netflix.
That means Britney Spears is getting hers and she's getting her money.
But
Let's
let's get
close up these hot topics.
And guys, we saw Madonna in an interview talking about Britney Spears, and we hear that she's working on a new docu-series. Now, Dr. Ross, documentary is in my middle name.
Exactly. And
But Madonna,
That's right.
call us. Hit me up. Hit our lineup. You know our information.
That's right. And I heard Madonna said that Britney Spears and Kevin Federline were alleged. Madonna, to rephrase myself, Madonna said that her Britney Spears and the new boyfriend, the trainer, the Sam, are allegedly married. I believe this because Britney Spears put the ring all over her story.
But this, guys,
and-
is all alleged.
Exactly.
Because we still want to get taken off the air. But
That's
Madonna and Britney Spears, they call me Nature Boy. You know what that means. These were all of our hot topics. Actually, before we close it out, Dr. Ross, I want to say one short thing about Kanye West and Crispy Brown. So Crispy Brown was actually removed from Kanye West's Donda album. Who cares? Two minds think alike. These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. For Kylie Jenner, I'll see you at the pregnancy room for the second baby.
That's right.
And we want to congratulate our winner for the She's Hot contest, and it's UHLIAA.
And
Now,
we'll
guys,
put her at right here.
That's right. We're going to put it in the link in the description below so you guys can check out her content.
Congratulations.
We're out.